Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jack who was always dreaming of living a life of luxury. He spent his days scrolling through social media, envying the lavish lifestyles of celebrities and the rich and the famous. One day, Jack stumbled upon an advertisement for a get-rich-quick scheme. It promised him quick and easy money without any hard work. Jack was instantly drawn to the idea and invested all his savings into it, hoping to become rich overnight. However, things did not go as planned. Jack soon realized that he had fallen prey to a scam and lost all his savings. Feeling lost and defeated, Jack realized that he had never learned the basics of financial education and had made a big mistake. Determined to turn things around, Jack decided to learn all he could about finance and investing. He read books, took courses, and sought out the advice of financial experts. Over time, he learned how to manage his money wisely, invest in a diversified portfolio, and save for the future. Years went by and Jack became financially independent and successful. He had learned that there were no shortcuts to wealth and that financial education was the key to long-term success. The moral of the story is that financial education is essential for a successful life. It is important to learn the basics of money management, investing, and saving so that you can make informed decisions about your financial future. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes and invest in yourself by learning all you can about finance. With hard work and determination, you too can achieve financial success.